Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to text to speech in German in Murf AI. So, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Navigate to the Explore AI Voices tab on the left side of your studio. Here, you'll find a world of languages. Click on German to unlock a range of German voices. Step 2. Choose your voice. Look through the German voices and find the perfect one for your project. Once decided, click Select. Step 3. Craft your German script. Paste or type your German script in the text area. Need it to be more dynamic? Adjust speed, add pauses, and fine-tune as you prefer. Step 4. Hear the magic. Curious about how your German text sounds as speech? Simply hit Generate Audio to hear the transformation. In just a few clicks, you have transformed text into captivating German speech, all with the magic of Murf AI. That's it. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.